Hello and welcome to Honors Dashboard Training and Review. My name is Goran and I work at Hinkley Lighting's IT department. We're going to quickly introduce the changes and training for this Honors Dashboard webpage. We land at the page, and at the top of the webpage on the right hand side above here, there's going to be a link for this video where you'll be able to watch it at any point. And as I demo this page, please keep in mind that this data is test information. It's not really related to any given account, and it's not very meaningful at the moment. It's intended to give you a variety of options so that we can demo the web page. We start off with the Hinkley Honors Compliance section, which we clearly indicate with a red X or a green checkbox whether you have met all of the conditions needed for the honors compliance. If you need to know more information, any of the eye icons will give you additional data. So this particular one is a summary of the ones below. It says, are you actually earning rewards? It says you're not earning rewards for one of the reasons below. Now, this particular account is an honors customer. Minimum inventory on display has not been met. So the minimum inventory on display needs to be at least 20 SKUs for this particular account, and this differs by account, and your number will be indicated here. The account does have at least one showroom, and we're indicating that they have two showrooms that are showing on hinkleylight.com. At least one inventory needs to be up to date, and that one inventory needs to be the minimum as well. So if you have an inventory that's less than the minimum, it's just not going to work. So what we have here is that none of the inventories have been updated within the last 90 days. So those are the two reasons that this account is not getting rewards. So to fix that, you would need to address both of these issues, and then once you do, the rewards will stop being earned. Display rewards section will indicate by quarter of what the rewards account is earning. And again, there is a informational icon here that will show you what that is. So for quarter one, we will capture the inventory that you had on display. So as long as it was valid and you had the minimum on January 1st for that Q1. And then those are the captured numbers that you're being rewarded for the next quarter or 90 days, and so on for each of the quarters. At the bottom, you will have a view to show you how each of your showrooms is earning your rewards, and then the same rewards by item, which is a good opportunity to review what you have on display. On the right-hand side here, we have display inventory status information, and this is basically helping you out understand what we are capturing for our website, which is hinkleylighting.com, and this is what's going to show up on our website. And these are a list of SKUs that you're collecting rewards for. So what you have on display is rewarded by not only that SKU, but also any options of that SKU, such as finish or add-ons. So you can see that whole list if you click on this link, which will open up a report, and you can export that report to Excel or PDF. Same goes for this and all of these reports. We are indicating when was the last time at least one of your locations has been updated. So we're just going to indicate the maximum value here. We're going to give you a report that will give you each of your locations and their inventory status compliance. So it's going to list when was the last time they were updated. And from here, you can click on Update Inventory link, which will take you to a web page that will actually give you the option to update the inventory for any of these accounts. At the bottom, we have the Hinkley growth information. And if I hover over that informational icon, you'll get more information. Keep in mind on the percentages down at below, we've added actually how this account is doing compared to last year based on the projected sales. Projected rebate is indicating that this is just strictly an estimate, and the further along in the year you are, the more accurate it is. The projected rebate is calculated on your average daily sales times 365 days in a year. So it may or may not be very accurate depending on how your business model is, but that's how the estimates are being projected at the bottom. For those accounts that have landscape, that are participating in the landscape honors, there's going to be another tab in this section for landscape, which will have the exact same information from this screen, except it will be only landscape driven. And that is it. Thanks for watching.